We're in Bimini. We're gonna check out Resorts World, the port, and the free beach right here next to the ship. No excursion needed. Plus, something's changed since I was last here. Welcome to Bimini Bahamas. Here on the cruise ship at the Bimini Cruise Port, you will see almost all of the gorgeous, beautiful Bimini Island. Just a short walk off the ship will take you to the Bimini Cruise Port. Once you get to the Bimini Cruise Port, you will see several different information booths, photo ops, and even a free shuttle to take you up the pier. If you choose to walk down the pier, it's only about a 5-minute walk. Once you get to the end of the pier, keep walking till you get to the end of the sidewalk, and this will bring you down to the town to take you to the cruise port. Now across the street is where you'll see some information booths, and this is also where you'll go for some shore excursions as well. You'll see here to my left lots of golf carts leaving. You can rent a golf cart and ride around the island and explore the island. Let's walk across the street, and right across the street is Kayak Beach. Here at Kayak Beach, this is where a few short excursions are held, such as jet skiing and even kayaking. The waters are calm, gorgeous, and beautiful over here, so not only can you enjoy a short excursion over here, but you can also rent a chair and just enjoy the afternoon over here on Kayak Beach. Now let's walk back up to the sidewalk and take the sidewalk around, and if you keep following it around, it will take you up to the roundabout where if you go right, you go to Bimini Bay, and take left, it'll take you over to the cruise port to do some shopping. Once you get here, there are a few different shops available that you can do some shopping, purchase some Caribbean wear, and just stroll around this gorgeous port area. There is one bar available here in the middle, and it's all open, and you can come sit, have a drink, enjoy the breeze. And just across from the bar is live music playing. So you won't want to miss this opportunity to sit, have a drink, enjoy the music. And just to the right of the music playing, you can grab you a bite to eat, sit outside, enjoy the breeze. Coming around here to the bar, you do have public restrooms. You can see that Resorts World is just through here. So have a drink and sit and overlook the marina, listen to the live Bohemian music playing, and just really enjoy Bimini Bahamas here at the cruise port. If you keep walking down to the end, there are some sales offices, places to purchase and rent condos here in Bimini. But continuing to walk down to the very end of the port will take you on the pathway to the Hilton Resorts World Hotel. Now, if you choose to walk to Hilton Resorts World Hotel from here, it's about a 5-minute walk from the end of the port. So about a total of a 10-minute walk, maybe 15 minutes from the cruise ship. Hilton Resorts World is at max capacity this weekend for everybody getting ready for Bimini Homecoming the following weekend. But it's an absolutely gorgeous hotel. No shore excursion needed. Come, have a drink, sit and relax at the bar, enjoy some of the restaurants they have here. This is one of their swim-up bars that you can purchase a short excursion for. But you can still enjoy Hilton Resorts World Hotel without its short excursions, doing some shopping, playing the casino. Now let's head back towards the pier and check out Paradise Beach. Paradise Beach is right here as you get off the pier from the ship. It's the free beach available to you here in Bimini. You can choose to rent a chair, an umbrella, and just enjoy the day here at Paradise Beach. There are a few food trucks available here as well. You can grab you some beach bites and come and sit and enjoy the beach here. Here's where you can purchase any kind of rental, such as chairs, umbrellas, and even cabanas for the day. Absolutely gorgeous beach to come and enjoy the beautiful waters here in Bimini. No shore excursion needed. Grab you a bite to eat on the ship before you leave. Bring your towel, come and sit and enjoy this gorgeous beach with no money spent. Now I know I said something has changed since the last time I was here, and it's this sign. No cruise guests are allowed on the other side of the pier. At one point, you could come over here to this quiet beach and enjoy it, but now they have it blocked off in boulders underneath the pier. So guests can only come to the Paradise Beach to sit and enjoy. But it's absolutely gorgeous area, and I highly recommend visiting Bimini Bahamas. Is Bimini Bahamas on your upcoming itinerary? I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.